So this was a pop quiz, weekly pop quiz related to the structure questions. If you have any doubt in question one, any part of question one, any part A, B, C, question two, any doubt in this? Question three, there were three structure questions in this. 3A, B, C, any doubt?
Wait, could you
Yes,
go to question 2? The slide one.
yes.
The 2A.
2A.
Yes.
The child starts from the rest at the top of the slide and moves down as the resistive force acting on the child can be ignored. Explain why the equation of the motion should not be used to determine the maximum speed. Remember one thing, the equations of motion are only valid if the acceleration is constant, because the inclination of the slide is changing. So the acceleration in the first part will be different from the acceleration of the second part. So because the acceleration will change throughout the motion, that's why we cannot use the equation of motion to work out the speed at which he reached the bottom.
Doesn't acceleration only act vertically downwards?
Acceleration is acting vertically downward, but what will happen on the inclined surface, because our weight which is acting downward, our weight will have the components. The weight, the gravitational force is acting downward, but because on the inclined surface, what will happen, our weight will have the two components. One of the component which is with an angle, another component is against the angle, opposite to the angle. So the component W sine theta value will change. Why W sine theta value will change? Because it depends on the angle as well. And the acceleration on
Okay.
the acceleration on the inclined surface is not equals to G, it is equals to G sine theta. So acceleration on the inclined surface also depends on the angle. If I increase the angle, I will have a greater acceleration as compared to if I reduce the angle on the same inclined. So it's not only depends on, if we ignore the frictional forces, then acceleration on the inclined surface equals to G sine theta. So it depends on the inclination, as there is a component of the weight which is causing the acceleration of an object. If it was moving vertically, then yes, acceleration will be equals to G with when we ignore all the resistive forces.
Okay, so W sine theta determines the acceleration of the object.
Yes, W sine theta determines the acceleration of an object, and because the inclination changed, so the sine theta value will change. That's why the acceleration will also change.
Okay.
Any other question or a doubt from this structure pop quiz? No doubt in this?